the reason behind all of this is when we put in the culvert pipes, right in the center where we joined, because there's two 20-foot sections, right in the very center, we drove over it with a backhoe, and it squished some sort of dirt or grass or a little stick through there or something. And it has bothered Tiffany since that day so much that she's decided to crawl through with a sawzall.
Yep, it's still there.
So we've geared her up with my drift action camera, a sawzall, and a headlamp. And now that the water level has gone down, she's going to town. Let's see if we can see in from the other side. Making any progress?
Yes.
Okay, well, it looks like the drainage pipe bent and cracked because this is not the point where they join.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huh.
I don't know if I can get out that way.
Okay, so
I think I have to back up.
you're going to back up? Okay. That's fine. I just thought I'd come down here for a little bit different angle.
I can't, I mean, I probably can, but it's going to hurt because that one's not as angled and there's a lot of rocks in the way.
Yeah, I see the rocks everywhere. Oh wow, look at that.
I did get it soaked, but I kept the battery up.
That's fine. Here's a towel for you.
Okay, so the whole thing is split open. There's 2 points where it's broken, and it's not at the joint.
Huh.
You might be able to see it, though. I tried to call around.
Good.
Want a hug?